Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ahmed and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private in just few simple steps. But before to begin this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for not missing any new update in the future. And now without further ado, let's dive into it. Okay, first open your Instagram app, then tap your profile, then tap three lines, then scroll down, then tap account privacy, then turn on private account option, then tap switch to private. And as you can see here, if you want to make your account private, first switch back to a personal account, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video. Bye.